Do you want to learn how to change language on Character AI Mobile? In this video, I'm going to help solve that problem. So first, on your mobile, open up Character AI app. Now inside it, on the top right, you'll find this icon. Click on it. Now click on the cog icon on the top right. Now inside this, scroll down till you find communication, and inside the communication, you're going to find English. This is the drop down for language. Click on it, and now you can choose your language here. So you can select from any of these languages. And as you can see, the language of the app is now changed from English to Spanish. And you can change it back by clicking on here and change to English, and that's it. And there you go. This is how to change the language on Character AI Mobile. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.